This protocol is significant because it is an efficient method for the isolation of Drosophila pupillate tissue for multiple downstream applications. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows the quick dissection of a large number of pupil eyes without damaging the tissue.
Dissection of the Drosophila pupil retina will be challenging for novices. Practicing the technique is the best way to improve the speed of the dissections and the quality of results.
After placing the Drosophila pupae onto a black dissecting dish, lay a fresh piece of double-sided tape onto the dissecting dish away from the pupae, and use a pair of forceps to carefully place the pupae dorsal side up onto the tape. Place the dish under a stereo microscope and use forceps to remove the operculum of each pupa. Use micro-dissection scissors to slice each pupil case, allowing it to be flapped open to reveal the head, thorax, and anterior abdominal segment, and secure the edges of the pupil case to the double-sided tape. Pierce the abdomen of each pupa with sharp forceps and remove the pupa from its pupil case. Place the pupa on the dissection dish away from the tape and cover the pupa with 400 microliters of ice-cold PBS. Use forceps to grasp each one by the abdomen and use the micro-dissection scissors to make one clean cross-sectional incision through the thorax, cutting the pupae in half. Using 2 pairs of fine forceps, grasp the cut edges of each thorax epithelium and gradually tear open the thorax and head capsule, exposing the eye-brain complex and the surrounding fat tissue. Then, without grasping the tissue, use